Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are talking about how to remove duplicates in Excel. Why do you want to know how to remove duplicates in Excel? Well, maybe it's your first time and you just want to remove it, right? Because it's very hard to find the duplicates. So today I will show you how to remove duplicates in Excel very easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So right now you can see I'm in the Excel and you can see here I have written something in the every boxes you can see, and some of the values are duplicate. You can see it, right? But in the very large data it's very difficult to find it. So basically you have to first of all select it, and after that you have to go to the home. You can see here, and here on the fifth box you can see that is conditional formatting. So just click on here, and on the first option, that is highlight cells rules, here on the last you can see duplicate values. So just click on here, and here you can see that it has got turned into red whichever are duplicate values, right? So I will click on the OK, and I can just delete it, right? So for example, I will delete it, and you can see as soon as I delete it, the red icon has removed from the other other word, right? So there you go guys. If you want to know how to remove duplicates in Excel, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to remove duplicates in Excel, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.